Okay, Megan. Come on over here, wee darling. You put one wee washer in there.
Okay.
Just one. And one in there.
Okay.
And on up the plank. And the same over there.
I
Now,
love this plank. It's not fun. Yes, I love this car. Do you love building? Yes, car. Oh.
right, Emma here. Now, you put your wee nut in there. And another wee nut in there. Very good. Now, Kirk, you go behind Emma.
Right.
You step over the other side. And Emma, another two over there as well, darling. Whenever you see you, Megan. You hold that, Kirk. You hold the plank as it blows away. Good girl.
Okay.
Very good. Now this is what I call teamwork. It is going to work, isn't it? So welcome to the Homeschool family Northern Ireland, where today we are assembling a picnic bench. Well, should I say the three kids are assembling a picnic bench. I'm supervising. Okay, Emma? Is this good? Okay, Megan? That's good. You keep your weight on that for Kirk. And Kirk can tighten all the nuts up. So you can see what we're doing. I'm going to pause the video now and get it going again when we nearly have it complete. See you soon. Bye. Bye for now. Can you go ahead and bang this one in?
Like banging your head off the wall.
A bit harder. Very good. Now, over to this one. Let's see now. That should be it there. You try it. Doing well, Megan. Okay. You getting a wee rest over there, son?
I'm going to do the rest.
You give it a wee hammer now, Emma.
Sure do, Emma. I'm get easy.
Oh, very good. Oh, that's okay. That's what they're meant to do. Okay, Megan. Right, next wee job for you. You come down here. Down here. And pick up 6 of the washers. You see these? You pick up 6 of those.
1, 2, 3.
Well, you can jam it back on again, son. Come, it'll go back on. I promise you.
5.
Right, you bring them over here, Megan. Excuse me, wee son.
Yeah.
And then you drop them back on the back end of the bolts again. Okay?
Remember lunar land used to be here?
Yes, son. Right, Emma. Come on, you over here. Now, you come down here to where the fixings are, and you get 6 nuts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. Now, go you over to the wood, and you put the nuts on top of the washers.
Are the washers that keep the wood?
That's brilliant.
Clean?
Well, it just helps it stay tight together. Right, Kirk, you go over, follow behind Emma.
Right.
That's it. And then you start to tighten the nuts. Very good. Megan, it's going well, isn't it? Okay, son?
Yes.
Going well? Right, Megan, you hold the edge of the wood with your toe again over there. And Emma, you hold the wood there. Stops it spinning, so Kirk can tighten the nuts, okay? Okay, Megan? Okay, Emma? That's it, done enough, son, I think. Whoa, you have to be careful, don't you?
What is this?
Yes. You gotta be careful. You're doing well. Good lad.
Sometimes you need to do that at the start.
Yes, to get it round, yes, because it doesn't catch properly.
Yeah.
That's right, son.
Because you'll make the screw loose and then that will come out of you.
It pops out again, that's right.
Yeah.
Doesn't take you too long, son, to twig on.
It's on working night. The end of the day.
Isn't this just brilliant?
Something lovely sunset.
Right, Lindsay, you go ahead and put that wee screw in. There's always a comical bit, isn't there? Nearly there. Get in there. Another wee squeeze. Straighten her up. That's it. Good pressure. That'll do it. Brilliant, that'll do. Fantastic, Mama. Alright. Right, that's a bit done. As you can see, we've lost Kirk. He's disappeared with his friends. We're nearly done. Nearly done.
Guess what?
What, darling?
So we're going to have to hold that neck near from the
So there you go, job done. 1.5 hours later. The sun's away. It's got to be a bit cooler. Kirk still hasn't come back in. He's out the front playing with his friends. So job done. That's it. One nice picnic bench. All we need to get now is a nice parasol for it. And believe it or not, that picnic bench only cost £45. So there you go. So that's it. We're going to call it a day for today. We've just about had enough. Bye bye.